Hi, this is Gabriela. I want to show you how to record your audio and video using PoodLL on Moodle. There you have the PoodLL functions, 2 microphones, a video camera, a pencil and a camera. We are going to click on this mic, okay? And here you will find the record button, the stop, pause and play. When you click on record, you will be able to record your audio. Then you will stop it. You will be able to listen to it if you want, or decide to upload it. I'm going to show you. Hi, this is Gabriela speaking to show you how to record your audio. You see? I stop it. If I want, I can play it again, but I'm going to upload it. Wait some seconds, and there it is. So, wait a minute. Good. So now you're going to insert it to your message. Here it is. Now, I'm going to show you how to record a video. Click on the video camera. Wait that your image appears on. Okay, here I am. And I'm going to click on record and I'm going to proceed to record my video. Hi, this is Gabriela. I'm very happy to be part of this EVO session about Moodle. So I click on stop. You can play it again or you can decide upload it. So wait some seconds to upload it. And it is uploading. So be patient. It's almost ready. That's it. Okay. Are you ready? Good. So now I am going to insert it to my message. Here it is. Wait a minute. There. You have here. This is my audio recording and this is my video recording. So now it is almost everything about PoodLL functions, and you are ready to send your message by clicking on post to forum, and that's it. Thanks for watching me. Bye bye. See you around.